Low float penny stock VSTE is showing an immense amount of strength in the pre-market session of today, the 12th of March 2025. As you can see, it printed an intraday high of $1.04 and currently now at 0.9746. So as things stand right now, since it's not trading at $1 and higher, not all scanners, not all enterprise scanners will be displaying it. If it gets to that sort of level, then it will get more interest. It will be observed more. Right now, you may not be able to see. I mean, it's really off the radar as things stand right now. It's quite off the radar. Let's see what's going on the. Yeah, I can see this is definitely aggression. You can see the tiny amount of stocks that are going in, so we can see it's quite aggressive here. So if the market opens, it might get even more aggressive. It may print higher, but there's no chance, there's no guarantee that that will be the case. And it has there's been a volatility expansion. Expect that to pull back. Yet at the same time, it could even escape even further up. I think the news is that the company has secured more funding. Or something like that. So um, this is its 1 minute chart. You can see that volatility expansion that took it all the way up there. But expect pullbacks to occur. Expect pullbacks to occur. This is a 1 minute chart, so it's not really going to be of much help. What you know, what you need to know is that it has ballooned up, and this is the 5 minute chart. Just have a look of about what just have a look at what's going on right now. It's weakness is expected to kick in the next couple of minutes. So, but if we come down all the way to the 1 hour chart, let's see. Here we are not seeing here strength is still expected. Here strength is still expected. Um, no upper projections anywhere or anything like that. No upper projections. There's a downward projection here of 0.4608. Let's get a 2 hour chart and see. The 2 hour chart, yeah, same as well. Just some sideways movement is, but with a bias to the upside is expected. Is projected on the stock in the coming hours. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart, which is a lot more like what's going on in the day or the daily chart. So here on the 4 hour chart, yeah, extrapolation is to the upside up till Friday the 14th. Momentum is equally expected to remain strong, yet there's absolutely no guarantee that that will be the case. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Let's move it back and see. Okay, we're not seeing anything where we. Okay, let's see whether we have whether this down projection is in play. I'm not sure that it is in play here. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the daily chart. It's a low float stock, hence this immense volatile expansion to for $7.27, and also another one here that occurred not very long ago in December up to 2.64. So it's a low float, roughly 8 million or thereabout shares. So let's see. This is the daily chart. Yeah, those expansions, those spikes, definitely the stuff of highly volatile low float stocks. So here we are, maybe because the market hasn't opened yet. Before now, the extrapolation was to the downside. We have downward projection of 0.299. So that may not be in play at the moment. Okay, but if you go by, let's see. Okay, yeah, this is Tuesday, the 11th of February. If you go by what happened there, we have a rejection at 0.804. If you take that and you take 0.47, you get roughly 0. Okay, let's see, 0.804, 0.84, and 0.47. I think you're gonna get 0.37 or thereabout, 0.37 multiplied by Just let's use something really ambitious. 3.618. You have 1.33 added to the current price of 0.9707. You have 2.3. So 2.3 would $2.3 to $2.3 would take it yeah, all the way towards let's see where it's with. We saw $2.3 on the 4th, I believe. Yes, we had this rejection here as of November, so it's gonna take it to these sort of levels. Yeah, there's a Fibonacci projection there. It was in play as of January. It was in play $2.3 or thereabouts, so 2.31. So the sort of things that can come back in this sort of these upper projections can may become relevant, but at the moment they're not in play at the moment, and the algos haven't calculated anything yet. Maybe because they haven't seen any need to do so. But going by what's going on now, that is today, the 12th of March, things might be recalculated, but still on this daily chart, the market hasn't opened yet. The algos probably don't calculate until the market opens until the light comes on these daily charts. But for the hourly charts, they are active already. So he hasn't really calculated anything, nothing really. It's there's a huge expansion. Yes, maybe if probably the it's not probably not consuming the sort of figures we that have printed now. So, but it has actually, I mean, going by the fact that we are seeing projections all the way towards Friday, the 14th of March, and the momentum as well, converging in that regard, validating that those projections. So let's see how it goes. But it has printed a huge amount of gains already. So expect a pullback to occur. Already has lost some already. Yeah. So I'll keep on updating you, and thank you very much for watching this video.